In this section, I'm going to be showing you some free keyword research tools. And when I say free, I really mean it. You don't have to put a credit card number in and hope that it doesn't get charged later. These are actually free, very robust keyword research tools. But before I show you those tools, I actually want to give you a keyword research hack. As you do your keyword research and as you do these tools, you're going to go from general and generic to specific and targeted. But here's the key. Here's the hack for this. As you get more specific, the hack is to find the balance between being way too specific and not reaching a large enough audience, and the flip side of that, being just a little bit too general that your audience is too large and it costs too much to actually speak to that audience. There's a middle ground, and that is your task. That's your challenge. That's what you have to do. You have to find the in-between of being too specific and too general. Finding that sweet spot is what I like to call it in keyword research. And then finding a way to speak to that audience. Finding a way to build content for that audience. So whether it's a client you're working for, or whether it's a blog that you've started yourself, whatever it may be, your job is to find the sweet spot. Not too specific that it doesn't speak to anyone, and not too generic that it speaks to everyone without really saying anything. So that's your task, that's your hack, and I challenge you to think through that as you use these keyword tools in this section.